This video will provide a detailed explanation of how to clean storage roll doors using Zapit, a powerful low-suds cleaner that can be used to remove oxidized paint, grease, and grime in preparation for refinishing roll doors or general cleaning and maintenance. Most storage doors will show signs of wear and chalking after about 10 to 15 years. Washing and maintaining storage doors increases the lifespan of the paint, and clean doors give curbside appeal and send a positive message about the quality of the facility. The following steps will outline how to make old and aging storage doors look brand new again. A caution: for doors that are 20 years or older or have extreme oxidation and chalking, this process could expose the metal surface of the doors and require an additional protective coating be applied. Please reference the Zapit exclusions and warnings document before using. You will need 1 garden sprayer or other pump sprayer, Zapit chalk and grime remover, 2 very soft RV or auto cleaning brushes on an extension pole, 1 larger for the face of the door and 1 smaller for the edges. Do not use a broom or stiff bristle brush, as they do not effectively clean the surface of the door. For touch-up, some extra fine non-abrasive steel wool or microfiber pads or a small brush can work as well. Lastly, you will need a power washer or water hose with a high-quality nozzle. If you don't have a water source nearby, you can use a battery-powered washer and bucket system. This should be able to clean about 8 to 10 doors with 3 5-gallon buckets. For demonstration, we'll be using all 3 of these methods interchangeably throughout the video. If water intrusion is a concern, we recommend using a plastic masking film to seal the unit. When handling any chemical, it is recommended that you follow standard safety procedure and use PPE. In this case, we will be wearing long gloves and eye protection. For chalk removal on aged doors, we recommend you use full strength without dilution. So let's get into it. Start by wetting the ground and bottom rail with some water. This will mitigate asphalt staining and prevent running marks or streaks on the bottom rail. The painted portion of the door must be completely dry, so do not wet the painted door, only the bottom rail. Spray on Zapit using a pump sprayer, completely wetting the surface of the door. If it begins to run, you've used enough. Avoid overspray onto adjoining surfaces as much as possible. Use a smaller, soft bristled brush to scrub the perimeter of the door. Angle the brush to get hard to reach spots around the edges. Scrubbing from the top to the bottom and back to the top again ensures all surfaces of the rib are thoroughly cleaned. Use a larger, soft bristled brush for the bulk of the door's surface. Moving side to side, make a few passes at the top before moving down a few inches at a time. This ensures every part of the door is scrubbed multiple times. Everyone will develop their own technique. Just make sure the entire surface of the door is well scrubbed. Don't forget to get the bottom rail as well. Now that the entire door has been scrubbed, we will do the first rinse. Spray the door with water from the top down. Spray up into the door to remove hidden dirt and grime. Spray into the sides of the door to reach all surfaces that were treated with Zapit. Be sure to rinse the adjacent walls, in this case stucco, with water to help prevent any staining. The Zapit, chalk, and dirt should run down the door with the water. This is the first of 2 rinses. You are not spraying to remove all of the Zapit, chalk, and dirt. If you are cleaning multiple doors, now is a good time to apply Zapit to the next door. This gives the Zapit time to work on the next door while you are finishing the previous. Now back to the door we just rinsed. Visually inspect the door and check for any missed spots. Use a small brush or hand pad for any necessary touch-up. Now we are ready for the final rinse. Spray the door with water from the top down. This time be careful not to spray up into the door, as this could cause more dirt to loosen and run down the clean door. Working your way from top to bottom, rinse the door until all chalk is removed. Stop near the bottom and let the water run down, being careful not to spray directly under the door. Be sure to get the sides as well. To prevent running marks like this, spray into the hasp to remove hidden dirt and grime. Your door is now clean. If you plan to add a protective coating, let the door dry completely before application. This video is brought to you by All From One Supply. If you would like to place an order or get more information about storage door maintenance and restoration, you can check out our website at allfromonesupply.com. Thanks for watching.